Chapter 3: EGB Mining. What is mining in cryptocurrency? Mining is participating in blockchain network and collecting a reward accordingly. Blockchain network is strengthened and sharpened its security by broadening the range of participants. In this stage, the reward for participation is delivered in the shape of cryptocurrency. 8 Gold represents an easy way of processing mining and provides numerous benefits in order to expand participants. Anyone can purchase several types of mining packages online and simply conduct mining EGB coin with additional benefits. The best benefit of EGB coin is that it is used in a real economy. EGB coin is widely used in real estate and asset management services, such as rental, maintenance, agent fee, property investment, etc. Additionally, EGB coin ecosystem can be expanded through an exchange, remittance, and various linked services. As you know, the size of the global real estate market is gigantic. Accordingly, the demand and liquidity of EGB coin remain high. As 8 Gold service infrastructure grows, the value of the EGB coin escalates. What are the benefits if participate in mining? You can receive special benefits by participating in EGB mining. Profit margin. EGB mining participants can collect EGB coin at a lower price than the market. Therefore, EGB miners can make a profit even if the market value of EGB coin fluctuates. Value security. As EGB coin is used in real property transactions, the value and liquidity of EGB coin can be enriched constantly. Also, Currency Management Committee of 8 Gold Foundation, located in Malta, regularly monitors and adjusts EGB coin value with stable fundamental fund management.
Wow!
Airdrop. There are additional benefits in accordance with keeping EGB coin. If you are constantly holding EGB coin after mining,
Wow!
partial profit through 8 Gold service is rewarded in a form of airdrop. EGB mining is more unique. It is widely used for credible global services. You can earn a profit by EGB mining and enjoy advanced bonus plans and airdrop. Be part of our EGB mining.